Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule your WhatsApp messages. So if you want to schedule your WhatsApp messages, this video is for you. So let's start the video. So first of all, you need Shortcut app. If you don't have Shortcut app, go to the App Store and download it. Go to the library and search for Shortcut app. I have already in my mobile. If you don't have, you have to download from the App Store. So here you can see on the right below automation. You have to select this. After selecting that, here a new page appears which say automation. Here you can see on the top bar a sign of plus. You have to press that, and the next step is you can see on the top time of day alarm, and you have to select the time of day. Here you have to select when you want to schedule your message. If for example, if you want to wish someone's birthday, so basically you have to select 12 a.m. So from here I'm adjusting the time whenever I want to send the message. After that, you have to press the next. So there a new page appear at 12 p.m. The schedule is set whenever you want to send the message. The time is already selected. You have to select the right time whenever you want to schedule your message or send your message. If you are not available to send at a time, this is the best way you can schedule a message. So here you can select the app or anything you want to share message. For example, you want to share it on Instagram, WhatsApp, Snapchat, any social media app, you have to select from there. Here I'm going to schedule my message on WhatsApp, so I have to select WhatsApp. Here you see two options on the screen. Send message to repetition. Message means you have to type the message that you want to share. For example, I'm going to wish someone, so I'm typing happy birthday. To repetition means the person you have to send the message, the name of the person from your WhatsApp contact. After selecting the contact you want to send the message or schedule the message, you have to press the button on the top bar done. Then here this is the procedure how you can schedule a message on your WhatsApp. Then your message is scheduled. If you're online or offline, doesn't matter, your message is sent to the person on the time that you selected and the message will be delivered to that person. So hope so you enjoy the video. Subscribe the channel and don't forget to press bell icon.